Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove TikTok watermark. So if you want to download a TikTok video but you don't want any watermark on the clip, this is how you're going to do it. First, you can open your TikTok and find the videos that you want to save or download to your phone. And in here, you can just open the Google Play Store and just find any TikTok video downloader app. So there are lots of options that you can select it, and you can just click on one of them and install. So here I've already installed one of the apps. So what you need to do, after you are done installing the app, you can just click on the share button and tap on the copy link options and then open the apps, the TikTok downloader apps, and then paste the link. And the app will automatically detect the videos, and in here you can see there are lots of options. And if you want to download without a watermark, you can choose between these two: download mp4 or mp4 hd. So just click on the download button and the videos will be saved to your uh, gallery. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.